Okay, guys, do you know that you can actually, the best trading strategy which you can use to trade a small trading capital is still the trend trading strategy. Okay, with the trend trading strategy, you can get your capital from a very small amount to any level. Okay, you can easily move, even you can easily move $10 to $100 or probably $1,000 if you know what you are doing very well, and I'm going to prove that to you in this video. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will always be there. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So just like I have said, the trend trading strategy is still the best for you to use. Either you are using a small trading capital or you are using a big trading capital, it is still the best for you to use. Okay, yesterday I actually analyzed this particular chart called GainX 1250-minute time frame, and I told you how we milked it from this resistance zone when it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we got a single signal from here and we milked it till this very end. And I said after getting to this particular point, okay, it was unable to break out from there. It was making an attempt to go back on uptrend, but didn't go fully, so it was moving or playing around there for a while. And I told you this is trying to form this kind of shape, and when that happens, if it breaks out above this upper part of the trend, and it's going to go fully on uptrend, and you can see that is what is really happening right now. So this is actually going into an uptrend fully right now. Okay, so it has switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and of course it will keep on spiking at this particular point. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, we should expect more of an uptrend than a downtrend from there. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset. Okay, so the second asset we'll be checking out is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together, still using the same strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. Okay, so and of course for Paynex 999, this has been on downtrend right from here. Okay, it started a downtrend from this resistance zone, switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and gave us some sell signals, and it has been selling since then. It got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it's tried to go back on uptrend but didn't go more than this before pulling backward to the same support zone. And yesterday, I remember very well, I told you that if it breaks out below this particular support zone, that it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. But I said it's most likely for it to get to this particular support zone. And just the way we are seeing it, it's actually got there. Okay. And of course, right now it's trying to go back up. So this is going to be buying for a while. Okay. It's going to be buying for a while because if you should notice, right from here, once it breaks out from here, so I expect it to buy till it gets to this region first. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from here, then we should expect it to get to this particular spot, okay, before thinking of getting to this region. So you guys can take advantage of that right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. For those of you who are willing to trade a very small capital, just like $10 to a bigger amount, okay, this is another asset you can trade because it does not have spikes. Okay, and of course all you just need to do is just to make sure you are in the right trend. Okay, so once you are in the right trend, then you will definitely get it right. Okay, for instance, right from here, this actually started an uptrend, so it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Just where we are seeing, it gave us an entry point for a buy signal right here. And of course, if you are coming around here, you can imagine you being in market at this very moment. Okay, this will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Okay, so guys, if this is unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely we should expect a downtrend right from there. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that and get the best out of it. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis, and of course put them into good use whenever you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, can you drop your question down there in the comment section? I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.